This is my solar battery setup. We have a power station here, which is charged by this plug. This smart plug is controlled by the home automation, home assistant. When there is a surplus solar power, this plug will turn on and it will charge the power station. And the power station output is 12 volt, which is connected to a DC-DC converter. This will convert the 12 volt to 24 volt, and the 24 volt will feed into here, the inverter input, and the inverter will convert the DC 24 volt to AC 220 volt, and this is feedback to the mains via this smart plug. And again, this smart plug is also controlled by home automation. Mainly I use this to measure the energy go out, so we know how many energy go in by this smart plug, and we know how many energy go out by this smart plug, and with some factor we can work out how many energy stored in the power station. This power station, it's Anker c1000, which I'm not able to get the state of charge, the main energy from the interface. So this two smart plug is the way I use to calculate, to predict how many energy remain in this power station, and this is done inside the home automation powered by the home assistant. So yeah, so this is the inverter is yes, it's a Hoymiles, this inverter. So yeah, so usually what I do is the charging power is set up to 400 watt. So when there is a solar, it will turn on this smart plug and charge the power station at 400 watt. And this inverter, I set it to 50 watt. So basically, it's over the night. It just running all the time at the output 50 watt. And even in the daytime, when solar is charging, I can turn it off, but I just don't bother to do it. So the home assistant, you can set the output of this inverter via the home assistant. Yeah, this is a setup, so it works for me. Just very simple setup. We have a power station, 2 smart plug, 1 grid tie inverter, and here I have a DC-DC converter, convert 12 volt from the power station to 22 volt. That is because this inverter's minimum input voltage is 16 volt, and the startup voltage is 20 volt or maybe 22. Then I need to convert the voltage to 24 volt to start to meet the requirement of this micro-inverter. So it actually works quite well in my setup. Yeah, hope it's useful for you. Thank you.